Penthouses are always fairly special, but this one in the Belconnen Town Center is extra special, and I think the main focus is because of the view and the location. They actually picked this location because of its special relationship with the natural corridor, being the lake and the trees and the natural feel, plus the bustling of the Belconnen Town Center. The apartment's big, spacious. It's sitting on top of the world, but it's not overstated. You've got good segregation inside of the living spaces and the bedrooms. Main bedroom being back here looking out toward the lake, coupled with some fantastic living areas and a rather large study for those people who want to maybe just do business from the unit. Galley style kitchen, stone bench tops, great appliances, and plenty of cupboard space for doing whatever kind of meals you want. Now there's only two of them in the complex that are like this. The one on this end and the one on the opposite end. This one, and I'm not being prejudiced, I think is in a better location to take advantage of all the features on offer. Literally from every single room, you've got a viewpoint of the bustling town center and the adjacent lake. This presents a unique opportunity, rarely found here in Canberra, and the units that can give you everything that this unit has to offer, wherever they are in the city, will most likely cost you at least twice as much as this unit.